Unleash the full potential of your online business by mastering your Shopify dashboard. First things first, head over to Shopify.com. You'll want to find the login option, usually located in the top right corner of the page. Click that to proceed. Now, simply enter the email address associated with your Shopify store, followed by your password. Double-check that you've typed them correctly to avoid any issues. Once logged in, you'll be greeted by your Shopify dashboard. This is your central hub for managing everything in your online store. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the menu on the left. This is where you'll find all the essential sections for running your business. The order section is crucial here. You can view all incoming customer purchases, track their status, fulfill them, and manage returns or exchanges. To manage your inventory, navigate to products. This is where you'll add new items, edit existing ones, adjust pricing, add descriptions, and upload high-quality images. Keep track of your clientele in the Customers tab. You can view customer details, purchase history, and even segment them for targeted marketing efforts. Looking to boost sales? Explore the marketing section for tools to create discounts, run promotions, and manage your email campaigns to engage your audience. For a deeper understanding of your business performance, dive into the reports here. You'll find valuable insights into sales, traffic, customer behavior, and more. With these key areas understood, you're well on your way to efficiently managing your Shopify store and driving e-commerce success.